Students, how are you all? I hope everyone will be fine. In our previous class, we already learned lesson number 7, helpers in our neighborhood. Now, today we are going to study our new lessons, lesson number 8, festivals and celebrations. Before starting the lessons, let's understand what is the means of festival. A festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. In our country, we are celebrating so many festivals in a year. We get enjoyment and fun in this festival. Now, in these lessons, we will study the different festival and how we celebrate it. Now, before starting the lessons, just see a small task. There is given one picture, right? One boy and girl, they are playing. They are playing with the water. Now, can you identify which festival they are celebrated? Holi, right? In a Holi festivals, we play with the colors and water. So, write the spelling of Holi, H-O-L-I. Now, students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. We celebrate many festivals. We enjoy and have a fun on festival. These are two types. So, at the beginning what they tell? That we are celebrated so many festivals. And we get enjoyment and fun in the festival. Festivals are divided into two groups. First one is national festivals and second one is religious festival. Okay, so when we are celebrating festivals, we get enjoyment and we get a fun from it. And festivals are divided into two groups in our country. National festivals and religious festivals. National festival means the festivals which is related to our country, and religious festivals means which is related to some religious. Okay. Now see the first, national festivals. Festivals which the people of the nation celebrate to recall an important event of a past are called national festivals. Some of them are. So, what is the meaning of national festivals? It is related to our nations. When we are celebrating national festivals means it gives us a importance of the past event. The peoples are celebrate the national festivals to recall an important event of the past. Is called national festival. So when we are celebrating a national festival, we feel proud for our country. We are remembering the events which is related to our country, which already happens in the past. We are just remembering it again and we are celebrating it. Now turn the page. Our first national festival is Republic Day. It is celebrated on January 26 every year. The President of India hosting the national flag on this day at Rajpath in New Delhi. So, first our national festival is Republic Day. Republic Day, when we are celebrating Republic Day in every year, January 26. Who is hosting the national flag? The President of India. Where he hosting the national flag? On Rajpath in New Delhi. So on that day, we are celebrating Republic Day and our presidents will hosting the national flag at the Rajpath in New Delhi. On this day, Republic Day is a day when we got our constitutions in a rule. Next is Independence Day. It is celebrated on August 15 every year. India got a freedom on this day. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi on this day. So second our national festival is Independence Day. Independence Day means that day we got our freedoms from the British rule. When we are celebrating Independence Day on August 15. Who hosting our national flag on that day? Our Prime Minister. Where he hosts the national flag on the Red Fort, at the Red Fort in New Delhi. So on Independence Day, India got the freedom. So we are celebrated it. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August, and our Prime Minister will host the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Next, our national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on October 2 every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So Gandhi Jayanti is whose birthday? Mahatma Gandhi birthday. And we are celebrated on which day? October 2. So these three are our national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Now students, see your text. I will give you a small task. Cut and paste the picture of Republic Day celebrations in the space given below. So here you have to stick any pictures related to Republic Day. You have to stick it. Now see our next point. Students, I hope you understand the national festival. Now I will give you a small exercise. Choose the correct option. See the first one. The President of India hosted the Indian flag on Republic Day or Independence Day. When our President of India hosting an Indian flag on Republic Day. So circle the word Republic. Next, Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Gandhiji or President of India, Gandhiji. So circle the word Gandhiji. Next, Republic Day is a national or religious festival, national. So circle the word national. Now see our next points. Religious festivals. Religious festivals means which is related to a particular religions. People of different religions celebrate different festivals in a different way. Let us read about them. So people of different religions celebrated their festival in a different way. Now we will study which are the religious festivals. First one is Diwali. I hope everyone has celebrated Diwali. Yes, it is a festival of light. On this day, we decorate our houses with diyas, rangoli and light. People exchange gifts and sweets. So Diwali is a festival of light. On this day, we are decorate our house with diyas, we make rangoli and different light. And people are exchanging gifts and sweets to each other. Diwali is a festival of light. Everyone like this festival. Next is Dussehra. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana, the demon king of Lanka. Model of Ravana stuffed with the crackers are burnt on this day. So Dussehra is a celebrate on that day. Lord Rama killed Ravana. Ravana was a demon king of Lanka. He was a cruel person. So on that day, Lord Rama killed Ravana. So on his memory, we are celebrating festival of Dussehra. On this day, how we celebrate Dussehra? On this day, we make a model of Ravana stuffed with crackers and we burnt it. Now, next our religious festival is Eid ul Fitr. It is a festival which is related to Muslim community. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated after a whole month of fasting. People go to the mosque to offer prayer or namaz. So, in a full month, they are fasting, and at the last day they are celebrated the festival Eid ul-Fitr. People go to mosque to offer a pray or it called a namaz. So full month they are doing a fasting, and at the last day they go for a prayer at a mosque and they celebrate this festival. It's called Eid ul-Fitr. Next, now turn the page. See our next festival. Our next festival is Guru Parab. It is marks the birthday of first Guru of Sikh. On this day, people go to Gurudwara to pray. Colorful processions are taken out various places. So, Guru Parab is celebrated in the memory of their 6 people's first Guru. And people go to the Gurudwara to pray. And they are celebrated with some religious message. Next is Christmas. It is celebrated on December 25th every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas tree on this day and go to church to pray. So our next religious festival is Christmas. It is celebrated on December 25th every year. It is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People are decorating Christmas tree and go to church to pray. So these all are our religious festival. So this festival are related to a religious message. So that's why it's called religious festival. Now see the next. I will give you a small exercise. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a festival of light. Which is a festival of light? Diwali. Next. Dash was killed on Dashera. Who was killed on Dashera? Ravana. So write the spelling of Ravana. Next, people go to mosque on dash. When people go to mosque on Eid ul-Fitr. People go to church on Christmas. Students, I hope you understand what is the difference between national festival and religious festival. Now, some other celebration also we are doing. So let's understand what is the other celebrations. A person's birthday is a special day for him or her. We celebrate birthday with our family and friends. So in a whole year we are not only celebrating festivals, national and religious, some other special day also we are celebrating, like our birthday or any family member's birthday. We know that birthday is a special day for our all. So we are celebrating it with a different way. So in that celebrations we include our family and friends. And what is the other celebrations? Other celebration is wedding. Wedding is also a special day. It is celebrated with family members and friends over several days. People sing, dance and eat a lots of sweets and tasty foods in wedding. So other celebration is wedding. Wedding is also a special day in that we are celebrated with our family members and friends. For a several day we are celebrated things. During it we are singing, dancing. We eat us lots of sweet dishes and tasty food. So this birthday and wedding is other celebrations. Now students, paste the picture of recent celebrations held at your home in the space given below. So recently, whatever celebrations you have done, you have to paste the picture of it. Now I will give you a small exercise. Write T for true and F for false the following statement. So if it is true, then you have to write T, and if it is false, then you have to write F. A person's birthday is not a special day for him or her. It is true or false? False. So write F. Weddings are celebrated with family members. True. We all celebrated weddings with the family members. So students, I hope you understand these lessons. For understanding it more perfectly, let's revise it. Lesson number 8, festivals and celebrations. Festivals of India. In India, we are celebrating so many festivals. We get enjoyment and fun from the festivals. Festivals are divided into two types, national festivals and religious festivals. National festival. National festival means which is celebrated by the entire nations are called national festivals. Which are our national festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. First one is Republic Day. India became a democratic republic on 26 January 1950. So we are celebrated is a Republic Day. The main function is held at Rajpath. A special spare are taken out by the armed force. So on that day, our armed force shows their powers. Next is Independence Day. India became independent on 15 August 1947. So Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. The Prime Minister of our country hosting the flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and given a speech. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is better known as a Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as a father of our nations. So his birthday we are celebrated as a Gandhi Jayanti. So these all are our national festival. Now next is religious festivals. In our country we are celebrating so many festivals. So religious festivals means which is related to some religious. Few of them are Christmas, Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Durga Puja, Raksha Bandhan and many more. These are the religious festivals. First one is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. During these festivals, we decorate our house with the light and diyas. We made a rangoli outside of our house. Next is Dussehra. It is a festival celebrated as a day which Lord Rama killed Ravana. So we made the model of Ravana stuff with the crackers and we burnt it. Next is Eid ul Fitr. It is celebrated after the full month prayer. The people celebrate it. They are doing the fasting on this full month and the last day they are celebrated as the Eid ul Fitr. People visiting the mosque and they pray it. It called namaz. Next is Guru Parab. Guru Parab is celebrated as the birthday of Sikh Guru's birthday. It is called a Guru Parab. On that day, Sikh people visiting the Gurudwara and they pray there. Next is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate the house with the house, and they decorate the Christmas tree, and they are visiting to the church for prayer. Next is other celebration. Which are the other celebrations we are doing? Birthday. Birthday is a special day for a person, and it is celebrated with the friend and family. Next is wedding. Wedding is also a type of celebrations in that friends and family are together, and for several days we are celebrating it. During these celebrations we are singing, dancing, we ate the delicious foods, and we enjoy it. So students, I hope you understand the festivals and celebrations. Thank you.